Okay, you may have done some reprogramming on the vehicle. You may have replaced the battery or other modules. Now you have a code for P0315 to relearn the crankshaft position sensor. Why would you have to do this? Well, it's twofold. First of all, not every engine is an exact copy of the other one. Also, these sensors are very precise and accurate, and they have a very high resolution. So anytime it loses the profile of the crankshaft position sensor, it's going to require a relearn. As far as for the procedures, depending on the engine, it can vary a lot. Some manufacturers, well, it's going to relearn itself. Some may require a scan tool, others may require a procedure where you have to hold the engine RPM at a certain level for a certain amount of time. But this needs to be done. It kind of brings up a whole thing with these engines. If it's going to count a misfire, it's got to have a very accurate picture of what's going inside the combustion chamber. So it's looking at the speed of the crankshaft. Small changes. This is why it needs to be calibrated. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.